Now I am reading out the names. Chhattisgarh, Jankir Champa SC, Dr. Shivkumar Daharia. Chhattisgarh State, Korba, Mrs. Jyotsna Magans. Chhattisgarh 6, Rajnandgarh, Bhubesh Baghel. Chhattisgarh Durg, Rajendra Sahu. Chhattisgarh Raipur, Vikas Upadhyaya. Chhattisgarh Mahasamud, Tamaruddin Sahu. Tamaradwaj Sahu. Karnataka, Bijapur SC, HR Algor. Karnataka Haveri, Anantswamy Gaddevara Mats. Anantswamy Gaddevara Mats. Karnataka Tumkur, SP Muddana Megowda. Karnataka Mandya, Venkat Ramegowda, Star Chandru. Karnataka Bangalore Rural, DK Suresh. Shimoga, Srimati Geeta Shivraj Kumar. Hassan, Shreyas Patel. Then Kerala, Kasargod, Rajmohan Unnitan. Kannur, K. Suthagaran. Badagara, Shafi Parambil. Wayanad, former Congress President Sri Rahul Gandhi. Kozhikode, Sri M.K. Raghavan. Palakkad, Sri V.K. Srikantan. Alathur, Mrs. Ramya Haridas. Miss Ramya Haridas. Thrissur, K. Muralidharan. Chalakudi, Binni Bahanan. Ernakulam, Haibi Eden. Idukki, Dean Kuriakose. Alapura, Sri K.C. Venugopal. Mavelikara, Kodikundal Suresh. Pathanamthitta, Anto Anthony. Attingal, Adur Prakash. Thiruvananthapuram, Dr. Shashi Tharoor. Lakshadweep, Muhammad Hamdullah Said. Shillong, Meghalaya, Vincent H. Pala. Meghalaya Tora ST, Saleng A. Sangma. Nagaland, S. Supong Meran Jamir. Sikkim, Gopal Chetri. Telangana Sahirabad, Suresh Kumar Shatkar. Telangana Nalgonda, Raghuvir Kundru. Telangana Mahbub Nagar, Chella Vamshachandra Reddy. Telangana Mahbub ST, Belram Naik Porika. Tripura West, Ashish Kumar Sahe. These are the 39 names.